Alright, Julie, I'm really sorry you couldn't pass your test this time. Yeah, we'll talk about the serious mistake. The very first serious mistake you made, it was on the Lennox Road. Okay, Lennox Road. Basically, when I said you turn right, and that Lennox Road is on the bend.
Yes.
There was a car coming from the left side. Yes, and we've done that a few times.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you should have done? You should have checked on the left side because they have the priority. They are coming right. They have the priority. Yeah. You didn't look on the left at all. There was a car coming. I had to use the dual control. Got it?
Yeah.
That was very bad. That was number one. Then after that, you driven nice. Went to the Lakes Estate roundabout. I said to you, both roundabouts we are going straight, and I mentioned Water Eaton Industry. Yeah. So when you are going to the first roundabout, yeah, there was three lanes. Yeah.
Yes.
And the second roundabout there were two, and if you look, there was arrow pointing left. Yes. So if you're gonna keep yourself on the left side, yes, further down when you're gonna enter to the second roundabout, first roundabout will be done anyway, no problem. But when you're gonna go to the second roundabout, from the second roundabout, that is left only lane. Yes, you are allowed to change the lane, but nobody should be behind you. What was there? There was a Mercedes, black Mercedes, right behind you, and you straight away, soon you entered, yeah, you was not even you haven't even completed your first roundabout, and you tried because you've seen the arrow left. And you
Yes.
try to change the lane to go to the middle and then right. Yeah,
Yes.
that's too late. Yeah, rather than doing that, go up there. Okay, enter on the left only lane and check properly. If you want to change the lane, you can change the lane, but that's why we say it's not best practice. Okay, why not you just go left? How many times I told you this?
Yes.
Many times a day.
Yeah, many.
That was a mistake. Yeah, because there was a car behind you. So the examiner is going to make an excuse. Okay, they'll say, oh, you didn't look on the right properly. You didn't do the blind spot checking stuff like that. Okay, or even if you did that, that car was too close. That guy did not give you the way at all. He didn't slow down. He didn't flash. Nothing. Okay, so basically that was a serious mistake. Okay, and sometimes that flashing obviously is not the legal way of doing the thing. Sometimes they flash you to warn you that we are there. So you got to be extra careful in that sort of situation. That was a problem. Then you're moving to the traffic lights. What happened to the traffic lights? Double roundabout, you went further down, and the color was amber from the distance.
Yeah. I don't have time to go.
You thought you have the time to
Yeah.
go. Did you not see the amber light?
I see.
You
Yeah.
seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So why are you not? When you're approaching to the traffic lights, why are you not approaching in a defensive mode? Why you are in a aggressive mode, basically?
Yeah.
Fast mode. Why? Yes. So from the distance, I can see the color has been changed. Yeah. It is amber now. And what will be the next? Red.
Red.
So you should have stopped there nicely. That was a 100% serious mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then moving to the same road further down, there was a mini roundabout. There's no sign posted. Yes. And I warned you, Julie, the mini roundabout is coming. We're going to go straight. Yeah. There were some cars coming from the right side, and there were cars coming from the straight ahead of you. But those cars who were coming straight in front of you, they can't turn right. You remember that mini roundabout? You've been sitting there. Keep looking. They were all blockers.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yes,
Okay.
I remember.
So look, first of all, you stop there nicely, no problem, because there were car coming from the right side and there were car coming from the straight front of you. Those cars are going straight. They will definitely block other.
Yeah.
But that guy stopped on the right side and he was doing this. Yeah. And
Yes,
you were doing
yeah.
this as well. Okay. So make sure you are sitting there. Okay. Make sure soon there were 4, 5, 6 cars coming straight front of you. They are going straight. And they are blocking that guy for you. Okay, so you had opportunity there. You missed that opportunity. You waited until they all gone. There were about 3 cars on the right side as
Yes,
well. Yeah, so their waiting is basically a serious mistake. When they are blocking, that they cannot turn right on you. Which one? The cars coming from straight
their
front of
street,
you.
yeah.
They cannot do that. So you have opportunity. The blocking. Yeah, the
Yes.
cars come from right side. You just go. That was the problem. That was a serious mistake. Okay. That will be under hesitation. Okay. Then on a bypass, okay, I warned you this time. Next time you got to be very careful. On a bypass, the speed was 60 initially, and you was doing 40 to 45. Yeah. After that, there were double roundabout, and the double roundabout we turned left, and there was
Yes.
a big road. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big road. Yeah, like A5
Yes.
bypass. Yeah. So you was doing about 40, 45. You didn't go anywhere over 50. You should have done definitely more than 50, near to 60, because it's a big road and straight road. Yeah, there were some cars front of you, but they were quite far. When you're going to watch the video, you will see that. But the
Yes.
speed was around 40 to 45. Not great. I would say minimum over 50. Anything above 50 should have been fine at that point. Okay, that's a minor mistake. All right, next time. But on A5, second time they're not going to give you any chance. When you went to the A5, first of all, you off track, didn't it? You went to the left, and then we
Yes.
did U-turn and come back, and then we joined the A5 again because you missed. I said to you, follow the sign for Milton Keynes or Hinckley. You missed that turning, innit? You went
Yeah.
to the left, no problem. You done nicely. You went left all the way, come back. You control the speed, and when we got the A5 again, we came back, and you were driving on A5. Why are you driving slow? Again, you were driving 40, 45. Yes, I said you follow the sign for Milton Keynes. Yes, carry on driving. This is a dual carriageway. A5 is a dual carriageway, like a motorway, big road. Yeah, so you should go up to 60.
Yes.
Yes, so you are doing 40, 45, and you already done one time 40, 45 on a bypass. Yeah, so that means examiner will fail you for that. There was a low speed. Yeah, hesitation.
Yes.
Yeah, 100%. Then next one again on H10. When you turn left and then you turn right. That what do you call, like a oval shape roundabouts, 3 roundabouts together. You done fine. Basically, you should have not gone that direction anyway, but you did. You went that direction, no problem. So when you was on H10, that was again dual carriageway. What is the speed on the dual carriageway, Julie?
60, 70.
No, 70, not 60, 70. Dual carriageway speed is
70.
70. But even if you do 60, it's acceptable. Yeah, not bad speed. Yeah, look at the weather is not great anyway. So 60 was not bad. Again, you're doing 40, 45 because he was looking fully confused there as well. No problem. Bypass, A5, that dual carriageway. They all are dual carriageway. Yeah, so speed up. Yeah, do not hesitate.
Yeah, I just did
Okay,
all the
so
time.
that's it. Okay, and after that, once that's done, after that you done good driving. Okay, all the way up to here now. Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna work on those mistakes now. We'll try to rectify them.
Okay.
Are you happy about it?
Yeah, yeah.
Good.